Hey everyone, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stop HelloFresh subscription. So just in case you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get a free box of meals to start with HelloFresh. So again, that is a free box of meals with HelloFresh if you use my link down below in the description. But when you do sign up, in order to stop your HelloFresh subscription, you want to go ahead and actually log on. Then on the upper right hand corner, have this toggle down, and then click on account settings. Now where it says account settings, you want to scroll down and then see where it says subscription status. You want to click on manage. Now after you click on manage, you want to scroll down and then you're going to see this cancel anyway button. So once you click on this, it's going to prompt you to actually cancel HelloFresh. And so with it, you will be able to go ahead and actually stop your HelloFresh subscription. So with that being said, if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below in the description in order to get a free box of meals in order to get started with HelloFresh. And after you use those free box of meals, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription by following this method.